Hey everybody, this is Rebecca with Aroma Hut Institute, and Rachel, my daughter, is here today. We're going to be making some more essential oil blends for dogs. Now, if you've been looking for a natural way to treat some of their health issues and maybe take care of some other things, essentials is a great way. You just need to make sure that you properly dilute them and that you're using the right ones for them, because some essentials would be toxic and maybe not something you'd want to use with them. You also want to pay attention to the fact that if you do have cats, some of these are not good for cats, so you want to make sure you keep these away from them. So we are going to be blending for Tanner again. Tanner, he's looking for lizards right now, so he's a little busy. Come here, Tanner. One of the blends that we want to make. Come here, Tanner. Now, do you have dog breath? Well, everybody knows what dog breath is. We're going to be making a spray for dog breath. And actually, you know, just like us, they do develop problems in their gums, can have maybe something going on with their teeth. So this blend is great for that. We are going to be addressing any kind of gum infection issues with this blend, as well as freshen their breath. So we're going to be using two different essentials for this one. We're going to be using Myrrh Essential Oil, which is great for gum infections. And we're going to be using Peppermint Essential Oil, which of course everybody knows is great for the breath. So we're going to need to use 15 drops of myrrh. We're going to blend it right directly into the bottle here. So we're going to do 15 drops. It is a thick oil, so if you want to use a dropper, that's a great way to do it. Okay, and we're going to be using 15 drops of peppermint. Now, Tanner didn't act like he liked this one that much, but oh well. Do you brush Tanner's teeth or use any kind of
I give them dental treats. They're very, very gummy and chewy, so they have to chew on it, and it kind of cleans their teeth. But the vet does suggest that you brush their teeth or do something, because they'll get gingivitis just like we would.
Right. All right, let's go ahead and pour in. We're going to be using distilled water as our carrier. Now, you could use a carrier oil, but because it's going to be in the mouth, I figured this is the best way. Just use some water. So after you finish that, go ahead and put your cap back in and shake it up. Okay.
Could spray this on the toothbrush instead of trying to. They don't typically like to have something just sprayed directly.
Yeah, I'm sure he probably wouldn't like that. So just you spray this on the toothbrush, or
it smells real good.
Actually, this would be great for people too. I mean, you know, we could use it as well.
Right.
Safe for humans.
Oh, you want to smell?
This smells so good. We can use it. If he doesn't want it, we can use it. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. This is our breath spray that you can use on some of the toys for dogs, or use it in their cleaning, you know, toothbrush or something like that. And try to see if this might help with some of the gum infections or gingivitis they might be developing. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, part of our tribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.